Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel all about insurance. In this video we are going to learn what is boat insurance. If you own or operate a boat or other marine craft, marine insurance can cover you for loss, damage, theft or injury risk to your craft and its occupants, as well as any costs you may incur to other people or property through accidental damage. Marine insurance will offer boat or marine craft insurance that includes basic cover for damage or loss with a range of additional options available. Some specialist boat insurers and brokers can cover boat owners for less common insurance risks and activities. Boats and other marine craft can be expensive assets, and if you accidentally damage another boat or marine infrastructure, you could face significant financial costs. For most boat owners, marine insurance is a necessity. Similar to motor insurance, marine insurance policy will specify either an agreed value or a market value as the sum insured for the boat and equipment you own. What am I covered for? Marine insurance usually includes a component for physical damage which covers your boat, motor and associated equipment such as a trailer against a range of risks which might include theft, fire, vandalism, accidents and storm damage. Some policies include an additional option to take out extra medical coverage in case of injury or accident, while others will include medical expenses within the policy. If you or a passenger on your boat accidentally injure another person or property, liability coverage will pay associated financial costs. Different policies may have different limits to the liability coverage, so make sure you understand exactly how you are injured for before you to take out a policy. Additional coverage. When you are looking at marine insurance, make sure that everything you want covered is included in the policy. Where there are exclusions, check whether you can take out additional cover if you need to. For example, you may want to make sure that your trailer is covered or you are covered for towing in the case of your boat or trailer breaking down. You should check whether personal effects on your boat are covered, such as fishing equipment, radar, and other communications gear, mobile phones, and cameras. Do you have coverage for injury caused to your boat or your passenger by another uninsured boater? If you take a part in marine racing, you need to make sure that the insurance that you take out covers you for this. If you are part of a marine competition, it is possible that event organizations have a separate insurance arrangement. You should be aware of whatever you cover you need to take out yourself and what cover might be included in the entry fee that you pay to take part in the competition. Third party only. Third party marine insurance policy can cover financial costs of any damage you might accidentally cause to the other people, boats, or property. You might choose this cover if your own boat is not very expensive, but you will be operating it on the open water where there is a risk in you accidentally might run into someone else's expensive boat. So this is all about what is boat insurance. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.